Here's how you can make this VOX image animation. First, I have all these images here. Then we're going to add a zoom animation. So select all the image in between the first and last image, and in the inspector panel, turn on dynamic zoom and make sure it's linear. Then you will have this kind of linear animation. And for the first and last image, we're going to add a smooth zoom. So to do that, take a adjustment layer, then go to the beginning of that adjustment layer, add a zoom and keyframe. Then go end of that adjustment layer and double click on the zoom, and it will reset that zoom, and then you will get this linear zoom out. Now to make that smooth, click on this icon, Ctrl A to select all these keyframes, then press this button and then select the first keyframe and then increase this handle to the right side, and then you will get this kind of zoom out. Now play the clip, and right where the animation goes fast, click on the clip and press M to add a marker and align the adjustment clip using that marker right where the next image starts, and also increase the adjustment clip to the left side. Then you will get this smooth transition like this. Now hold the Alt key and click and drag the adjustment clip and place it over the last image. Now open the spline again, Ctrl A to select all the keyframes, then click on this linear button and then press this button to ease them out, and this time select the last keyframe and increase the handle. Now close the spline again, play and find the high point and then add a marker there, and then align that marker with the previous image, increase from the left side and also the right side as well. Make sure you cover both image, otherwise you will get this kind of jump cut. Now here's what we have here. Then if you want this chromatic effect, add another adjustment clip, then search for chromatic effect, then just drag and drop chromatic adaptation, and from here you can choose according to your like. And for the final touch up, we're going to add a stop motion effect. So take another adjustment clip and search for stop motion. I'm not sure if it's available for the free version. If you drag and drop the stop motion effect, it seems like the effect from the edit page is not working, so let's delete it and select the adjustment clip and go to fusion, select the media one, press Ctrl space, stop motion, add that, and here it seems to like working. So set the value to and go back to the edit page, and here's our final effect.